Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today what we are going to be doing is a little mod showcase. And pretty much what this mod is Optifine. And essentially what it does is it increases your in-game performance for Minecraft. Now what I mean by that is if you have a slow computer, like say you're running on a laptop and Minecraft lags a lot and you're hardly able to play the game, then I highly recommend this mod because it'll speed up your game by a lot. Now, I use this mod every day, and it increases my FPS by a lot. Now, don't expect your FPS to go like extremely high, where you have like a super fast, but it nearly increases your FPS like maybe twice. Say if you have like a 20 FPS, your FPS might be up to 30 or 40 FPS. So, without any further ado, let's get into the mod installation. Now, pretty much what you want to do first is go into Internet Explorer. Sorry for my cluttered little desktop here. I need to clean it out. And you need to just go to Google and search Optifine. Oops. Alright. Once you search that, you want to go to the forum page. Sorry if it's a little bit slow. It's just because of fraps. Now you want to click this. Now, once you are here, you want to scroll down until you see a 1.5.1 version or whatever version you are on. Now, what I would like to do is probably get the standard edition. That's right here. Now, I do recommend standard edition, but for this version right now, they don't have it for Minecraft 1.5.1. So I went ahead to get the Ultra. Now, if they do have it for the current version of your Minecraft that is on, I highly recommend you download the standard version because it kind of does increase your FPS by a little bit more than you would use the Ultra Optifine. So I'm going to close that. You want to download. Now, once you are here, do not click any of this download stuff right here. This is all fake stuff. What you want to do is go ahead and skip ad right here. And it should take you to optifine.net. Now, once you're here, you do not want to click these right here. You want to click this one that's right here. So you want to go ahead and click that. And on the bottom, you want to save. And ignore these ads that randomly pop up, but go ahead and go ahead and diminish that out, just in case you have to re-download anything. Now, before you want to install any mods, you want to go in your Minecraft. Once you're into that, you want to hit Options, Force Update, and hit Done. Now you want to type in your information and let it re-download Minecraft. Now this just protects you from having any errors when installing the jar. If your Minecraft jar was like messed with beforehand, it could fix a lot of errors that can happen. So go ahead and let this load. Okay. For some reason on my computer, Minecraft, when you first install the like updates or anything, it kind of crashes. So if your Minecraft does this, go to Start Manager. This is kind of a little tip. If something crashes, you want to go there and hit End Task. And yeah, guys, this is my console for my server, if you're just wondering. And now. Sorry about that. It just happens randomly. Yeah, you can probably hear some of my dogs in the background. Alright, now once you have done that, you want to go to the Start menu and hit %app_data% and hit enter. Once you are there, you want to search for the .minecraft. Once you are at .minecraft, you want to search for the bin file. Go to the bin file and search for your Minecraft.jar, which is right here. Now, once you are there, you want to right click. You want to open with. You can use WinRAR if you have it, but in this case, I use 7-zip, so I'm gonna go in that. Now, if you probably need WinRAR to open this, but I happen to have 7-zip, and pretty much just to download WinRAR, you can go into Google and search WinRAR. I'll go ahead and put probably a link below in the description of the link for WinRAR if I feel like it, but I will put the link in the description of where to download Optifine. Now once you're in the jar, like I just showed you, you want to delete the meta.inf file that I just deleted. And once you have done that, you want to diminish that, and then go into your start menu and search Optifine. Now as you can see, I have a bunch of them because of previous downloads. For this specific version, I downloaded the 1.5.1 one, so you want to click that and open it. Once you are here, it should open up in WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR again, you want to download it, the link will be in the description below. And you want to hit Control A, and what that is going to do is select everything. You want to click it, make sure this Minecraft.jar window is right here, and just place it right there. And it's just there, showing a couple files and archives, and yes. It might take a little bit if your computer's slow, but I happen to have a pretty fast processor. So once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and X all this out. And we're going to go ahead and test out Minecraft and see if it loads. Alright, now as you can see, Minecraft has loaded without any errors, and to see if you have Optifine installed, you can go to Options, Video Settings, and if you see this right here that has the bar where you set your window distance, and you can probably notice it, but if you have this right here, that means you have installed the mod correctly. Now, I'm going to go ahead and hop in a game here and show y'all some features of this, and show y'all the best settings that are good for your computer. So I'll be back with in-game instead of desktop view mode. So see you there. Okay guys, now that you're in-game in Minecraft, you probably go ahead and notice some FPS difference and increase. But right now I'm going to show you the best settings that you can use to get the max FPS that you want from Optifine. Now again, Options, Video Settings. And I like to keep mine on short plus 32. And once you're done with that, you want to put the graphics on fast, smooth lighting on maximum. You can change this to like any level you want, maybe like 20% if you really do want the best. You want to put your performance on max FPS. And just don't matter what these, just chunk loading on smooth, it puts it to stable FPS. You could go into like details and stuff and turn these off if you want more FPS boost or not. But right here, you can notice fog, and I have it set to off. Now, if you have it on fast, as you can see in the background there, you can see that fog. But if you turn it to off, it looks like you're on far mode. It kind of tricks you, but you still can't see that far because the chunk just stops, as you can see. But still, it gets rid of that annoying fog. As you can see, I'm running really smooth, but like I said, I upgraded my stuff, so I can put this on like fancy and normal without having any lag problems. You even go to spawn out of the super flat, so I can go out the super flat. Still don't have any lag problems. As you can see, I'm running stable. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much the mod review of Optifine. I highly recommend you download and install this mod. If you're running on a laptop, I do highly recommend this because it'll boost your FPS and your gameplay experience by a lot. If you have any other mods that you want me to review or install tutorial for y'all, please leave a comment in the comment section below stating which mod that you want me to review. And yeah, if you want to recommend me to a adventure map or something like that, leave a comment below. If you have any problems whatsoever with this installation, if something is not working right on the installation, please leave a comment and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. This is Xenmiagamerz, and I am out.